Hey, what's up everyone? This is Iram here, and today again I'm back with a new lesson of HTML, and I have changed my screen theme, actually my editor theme, because I found that it's very dark and it's difficult to see. So editor is same. I'm using the VS Code editor. I only changed the color theme. Okay, I hope that now it is more visible to you guys, and it is not I don't think that there isn't any problem in visibility now. So let's get started. Last time we have done this citation and definition tags, and today we are moving forward by using address tag. So let me change the title, the heading, sorry. And here I just want to say address, and here I'm going to remove this p tag and I'm going to use address tag. The address tag, it is used for the address, like in the contact form or in the contact information we need the address. It's the address of the person who to whom the site belongs. For example, if it is a online shop, then it should be the address of the company, or if it is of a company, or if it is a real estate, then it should be the address of that agency, right? So it is quite descriptive. Okay, I don't think that I need to talk more about this thing because it's very descriptive. So let's start that. How does it work? We just give the address tag, and inside this we need a p tag, a paragraph tag, and for that we just write the address. It should be like address should be blacksmith street. I don't know if it exists or not, and it's just for the demo purposes. And let me see, Rio de Janeiro. Okay, so this is the address I have mentioned within the address tag. It is wrapped up with the address tag, and I use the paragraph to mention the address. So let's go to the save it, go to the browser, and I'm sorry for the speed of my browser. You can see the address, it is in italic style because we have used the address tag. If we don't use this tag, it doesn't come in this italic style. So it makes it prominent that it is different than our site, and it makes it it's eye-catchy. This address tag, it makes this paragraph eye-catchy paragraph. Okay, like to show it prominent, to show its prominence, that it is an address tag. It is different than a normal paragraph. Okay, I hope you got until now. Now let's go to our next tags, and the other tags I'm going to use it. These tags are about the content, or about the paragraphs we can see. Okay, this is, let me mention another heading. This time I'm using H2, and these are the insert and delete. Insert, the title of the heading of these tags are insert and delete. Suppose we are writing a paragraph, and in this paragraph I just let me say all living things need to adapt to their environment to survive. Okay, it's a paragraph, and within this paragraph I just want to say that, sorry, okay, it's good, all living things, I want to write here things. So in place of this, of course it's a spelling mistake, but what I can do, I just write it here like I know it's not a good example. Okay, let me change this to make it more clear. Okay, I'm sorry, let me change it to make it more clear to you guys. So let me say it was a bad idea to move to next building. Okay, and I should say you don't have idea how good is this. Okay, how good is this place. Okay, so it's just an imaginary line. Here I've used the word bad. In place of this bad, I don't want it to be here. So what I can do, I just want to use a tag, del. Okay, it's a delete tag. I'm going to explain it, that what it's going to do, and then I should write here, I should say ins insert words. Okay, so yeah, now how it is going to appear in our browser. Can you see it was the bad, and I'm sorry, I think there is a yep. Okay, let me correct it. Okay, now it's perfect. Yeah, again from here. So it was bad. There is a strike through, or it's just I just cut the word bad and I replace it with worse. Like what I did, I deleted, I used the delete tag, del tag, and I used the ins tag in place of that insert tag. Why I have done this? Because it shows that the content has been inserted into this document, while this delete element, that is, it's showing that it is not, it is no more. Okay, this delete, this bad word, it is no more existable within this page. So it is replaced with this words, with this present word. Okay, so the purpose of this insert and delete is to replace something by not removing it completely from your page. Okay, there are sometimes we face these kind of conditions in which we don't want to change the things completely, but we just want to replace them with other words or other situations. So it is very helpful in such cases where you want to remove, where you don't want to remove it completely, but you want to replace it with something else. There is another element similar to this, and that element is known as strike through. All these commands actually are also available in Microsoft Word. When you write a paragraph and when you format a paragraph or a document, then there it is the option in font formatting. So you can use I'm sure that you have used all these commands over there in Microsoft Word. So it is also same. We can use these commands, these tags here in our HTML or in our web page. So this other, let me say H3, and the name of this is strike through. So what the strike through is going to do, it indicates something that is no longer accurate or relevant to the document, and same it works like this delete and insert, but we don't mostly we don't use this insert in the strike through case. Like if we want to mention the price of something, I want to mention the price of cell phone, and sorry, again my caps lock is on, so I just turned it off. Okay, the paragraph and the cell phone, and I'm using the S command for strike. Okay, and its price, this cell phone price was $89. I know it's just a demo price, or let me say $189, it will be okay. And then I should say that now, oops, and now it is available in $50. Okay, so let's go to the browser, and you can see the cell phone, and it was available in this price, and but now it is in $50. So mostly you can see these type of things in the online buying or selling sites, where they use the price, like sometimes they show the offers and sometimes they remove the offer. So these things work in that sort of situations. I hope you got until now whatever I have done. Okay, I have tried my best to help you understanding the HTML from in doc type to the paragraph and strike through and all these things. So let's do a kind of exercise to practice all these tags, whatever we have done until now. I'm going to remove the code, whatever I have written in between. I'm using the everything as it was, and here I'm going to say in the polar. I'm sorry, I don't know why it moves. Okay, so I have a paragraph here with me. Okay, I have typed already. I've copied some paragraph from Wikipedia, so it should be chapter 1. Spelling of my chapter. Okay, we have already covered heading H1 element, heading elements from H1 to H6. Here I have used the H1 and H2, and now I'm going to use the paragraph tag P. And within this P tag, I have the paragraph here. I'm just copying it, pasting it here. Okay, I don't want this to be here, so let me go back. Just to keep it within the screen, that it would not be a problem for anybody in understanding. Okay, so I have written, this is one paragraph, and now I'm going to use another paragraph, and this part, let me get it here, and let me use this, put it here, I want to wrap this paragraph, the second paragraph, within another p tag. Okay, so just bear with me because it's a bit time consuming, and I think I should go with third paragraph too. Yep. Or okay, so we have two paragraphs. First we had heading tag, then we had paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 is too small, and then we have a second paragraph. Let me cut some things from here and divide them equally. Okay. Now we have used the italic tag, so here I just want to say hyper carnivorous. Here I want it to be, I want to show its prominence, so make it differ from other paragraph. And okay, and then I want to use some bold because we have practiced the B tag, and to make it bold, let me cut it and use this here. And then we have practiced the citation tag, and then that citation should be, it should be here, cite, and let's cut it from here, and let's put it here. Then we have practiced some quotation marks, so let's okay, for the quotation mark we use Q tag, and let's put this Q tag here. We have practiced many things, but I'm just using some of them to here. Okay, let's use the quotation mark here also with Q, double quotes. Okay, sorry, not the quotation mark, double quotes here. Okay, and let's use the emphasize tag here, M tag here, delete it from here, and we have used a strong tag also, so I should go that strong tag here, strong, this semantic tag, strong, and let's delete it from here and paste it here. Let's save it, go back to the browser. Okay, so we have italic, it was the cite tag we have used here, then bold and quotation double quotes, and again this characteristic with the strong tag, and some emphasize, I think, or this one was the emphasize tag. Let me check. No, it's a strong one, right? And C ice, where is that? It is here. The C tag, C ice is here. Okay, so I hope that you guys got until now what we have done so far about the markup, that how we can write the markup, how we can define the paragraphs, how we can style the paragraphs, how we can use abbreviations and other font elements. So I think it is done here. Like I don't think that there is anything more to define in these things, within these elements or tags. If you want to know anything, just let me know in the comments below, and I will surely try to help you in learning that. So bye for now, hasta la vista, and ciao ciao.